Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so proud of my wardrobe behind me. I wish that all this wall can be filled in my boots, and I really would like to have all boots in the one place, like one big room just with the boots. Just do you know, it is like when you move in, it is like chaos. It is like everything, you just want to move in and you want to live here, but when you will put all things in the places, then you realize that it is something wrong. Not everything it is how you would like to have it, and sometimes it is like you can see the mistakes when you make these mistakes. And like I did with my wardrobe, for example, today I would like to make completely different wardrobe in my hall, in my bedroom, and in the living room. Actually, there shouldn't be any wardrobe at all, but I think this is like part of my life. This is my everyday. I love fashion, and this wardrobe deserves to be here. I put there only my favorite boots, but about that it is a separate video, so you can just go to this video and check. But today I've got a fur. Again, I know I am so crazy. I love furs. They are really warm. Maybe they are not the best for the snow, for the rain, because you know, it is like fur, it is like your hair will be wet and won't looking good anymore. So you have to be really careful with the furs. Just you can wear them on really freezing day but without any snow or rain. Just anyway, if it's raining, I don't really like go outside. I can go, but if there is no like horrible wind, just I can use my umbrella and I can go for a little walk, but better just stay home. And just I've got my handles, so you can see the handles over there. And yeah, so I have got the Zara box, and I will show you the fur. Just I really want this fur, and I saw this fur sold out like all the time. So I thought that okay, it will be mine, then size will come back. I don't have to like push it. I don't have to worry about the size or nothing like this. And the size come back. Just instantly, just next hour I check it and oh my god, size come back. Let me show you. A huge box again. But you know, I really love this Zara box, like makes me happy always. And last time I saw a video with, I don't remember if it was TikTok or Instagram, never mind, but I saw it, and this guy say that Zara, it is cheap, it is made in China, blah blah blah. What it is not made in China today? And in my opinion, you saw the last fur, and I can show you the fur from Temu, which is really bad quality. And I can show you, I have like, I can compare these furs because I have furs from the H&M, I've got furs from the other resale, I think, other shops, and they are not as good quality as Zara is. Zara furs, they are finished even inside with the leather. So this is not like really cheap waste and not worth it. For me, Zara, it is worth it. Just you have to really find a good pieces there. You have to really like, I've got the all blazers and I've got the trousers and everything, and always I'm getting so many compliments when I'm wearing my Zara blazer, for example. I can wear just jeans, white t-shirt, Zara blazer, and believe me, this is the best outfit, and always I will get like, oh my god, it is Zara, and everybody like know instantly that if I'm wearing something good, it is Zara. So time to open this magic box. I feel like I've got a real fur here. A quality of it, it is, can you see this? It is like very real. I don't want to wear actually the real furs because the smell, it is for me like not really my thing. I've got size small. This fur actually it is much cheaper than the other one, the leopard. And I know I keep it because I thought that this is really the best. It is a fur coat with the belt. It is nice, a rich brown color, what I love, and I really want to buy this brown handbag. I know I shouldn't because I have enough handbags, and actually I don't have any more space. I can always make the space, no problem. Because I've got the top shelf now like half empty, so this can be for the boots or can be for the bags or something. Or maybe for the jumpers, because I've got so many jumpers and maybe I should like move a few things in my wardrobe again. I don't know, I have to think about this. Just for sure I have to put a LED lights over there. This is like the priority, what like I have to make like the LED lights on the top, on this shelf, on this. So I need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 LED lights I need to make, and the best will be like I will just, I don't know how to do this really. It is, if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. I will be so happy to just take your advices and do something about. So now the try on of the fur really looks, I know in the camera looks like green, but you have to believe me, it is brown. Brown, beautiful fur, and maybe not with this outfit, just I'm always trying to make the best outfit, but it is not that easy. But I've got the brown tights and I've got boots from Fernando. One of the best boots, I really love them. I'm so happy that I've got a belt here. So this is like, you know, I love it. It is so good. Very warm. I just don't know how to make this belt works. Let's try something like this. Belt, it is also leather one. You can see it's finished with the gold, I don't know, tips or something. Then we've got a leather. I hope it is a real leather. If not, I will find similar belt in the real leather for sure. Okay, I like it. Idea of the belt, it is a great. Fur, it is quite big. This is size small. And do I like it? I think I like it. I feel so good. Just, I am a bit disappointed why this, it is kind of the green in the camera. I'm not sure. So I wanna keep it, you know. I will make a space in my wardrobe and I wanna keep it. It is quite big, but at the same time I know it's gonna be very warm. So this is something like I really love. Looks like real. Oh my god, it is really nice. Really, really great thing, especially do we have pockets. It is so important to have pockets. So I really love it. I will try and make, of course, the side pictures. So I think that it's gonna be something again to keep. One more parcel, it has been arrived from Zara, but I've got a few parcels from the H&M. Just I make the order on the 31st of December. And they arrived today, so it's gonna be like, just, I don't know how I supposed to, and how can I make this belt? But the worst thing is if this is the faux leather, it's gonna be damaged really quickly if you will be like making this way all the time. But we can replace this belt with any other belt, like a nice Gucci belt or something, or Dior. I think it is gonna be really cool. Just what hat I supposed to wear with this? I don't know if this fur it isn't like too big for me and I feel really huge in it, like Yeti. Just I think now because I can see myself in the camera. I saw myself in the mirror and it is okay, but in the camera I feel like it is kind of the Yeti style a little bit. I don't know, let me know if I look like Yeti or I look really good or not. Okay, so this is it in my video today. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my channel. I will be so happy if you will. Let me know if I should keep this fur or not. This is like, I'm not really sure. And once again, thank you so much and see you soon in the next video.